Preparation is crucial for surviving a zombie apocalypse, and being prepared entails more than just accumulating a stash of canned goods and ammunition. Securing consistent access to food supplies will be fundamental, which necessitates a reliable vehicle capable of withstanding such challenging conditions. In today's video, we will take a look at these 10 armored vehicles designed to be impervious to zombies. Number 1. Karlmann King. Drawing inspiration from the aerodynamic contours of stealth jets, the Karlmann King stands as an exceptionally handcrafted marvel in the global automotive industry. This masterpiece holds the title of being the world's most extravagant SUV, with a base price escalating from an astounding $1.8 million, which could potentially increase with further embellishments and enhancements. Bristling under its hood is a potent 6.8-liter V10 engine churning out an impressive 398 horsepower. However, given the robust armor cladding its frame, the SUV attains a top speed of a mere 87 miles per hour. Yet, the trade-off is worthwhile, as the Karlmann King demonstrates notable resilience. Its formidable armor plating outmatches the defenses featured on many top-tier military vehicles, promising an unrivaled safety level. Within its lavish interiors, the Karlmann King offers an oasis of tranquility that shields passengers from the turmoil beyond its fortified walls. It includes alligator skin reclining seats, a large TV, and gold trim. Additionally, it is furnished with a bar, air purifier, satellite receiver, modern gaming consoles. Built in Italy and the USA, the Karlmann King is a rare commodity due to its high price and complex manufacturing, with only a select number available in each market. Number 2. Highland System Phantom MPV. The Highland System's Phantom MPV is primarily designed for military and law enforcement clientele. However, it's also accessible to the general public. Providing unparalleled protection and performance, this MPV outstrips most rivals. Originating from the United Arab Emirates under the careful guidance of Highland Systems, the Phantom MPV is touted as a B6 armored vehicle. It incorporates cutting-edge technologies to deflect threats ranging from ballistics, beads, to mines. The Phantom MPV sports a sturdy yet stylish exterior design, marked by sharp angles and strong proportions. The interior showcases flexible configurations to fit various operational needs, such as personnel transfer, command hub activities, and equipment storage. For those seeking luxury, there's also an option for leather seats and an array of amenities ensuring a comfortable and stylish journey. Surprisingly, for a vehicle of its class, the Phantom MPV is electrically powered, guaranteeing instant torque for any landscape. It also houses its own generator, thus securing a consistent power supply, effectively making it a diesel or electric hybrid. With the industry's attention firmly set on Highland Systems, it's exciting to see what innovative solutions they will introduce next. Number 3. Rezvani Vengeance. Rezvani's newly unveiled flagship SUV, the Vengeance, has taken the vehicle market by storm. The Vengeance is modeled after the Cadillac Escalade, with an explicit aim to resemble a strikingly futuristic video game-esque design. This distinct aesthetic was achieved with the help of a professional video game designer, who gave the SUV a definitive militaristic look. Bundled with the military package, the SUV features bulletproof glass along with over 20 unique security features. Intriguingly, these features remain a secret, only revealed to the designers and privileged owners. The Vengeance is built to order, providing potential buyers the freedom to choose between a 7 or 8 passenger configuration. It introduces a slew of cutting-edge tech, like an augmented reality windshield, bulletproof vests complete with gas masks, magnetic door deadbolts, and run-flat tires. Adding to these, it also boasts sirens, ultra-bright lights, thermal night vision capabilities, electrified door handles, smoke screen options, and even pepper spray to ward off potential threats. It starts at a lofty $285,000 price point. With optional features, it can catapult up to a breathtaking $750,000. As one of the most extraordinary and premium vehicles on the market, the Vengeance offers unmatched security without skimping on comfort. Number 4. Ramsmobile RM-X2. The Ramsmobile RM-X2 boasts a mystique, keeping details about their complete specs under wraps, making this particular model a distinctive blend of an armored powerhouse and an elite performance auto. The RM-X2 embodies an audacious and futuristic archetype by means of streamlined aerodynamics, defined angles, and daring outlines. Built on a sturdy platform, the automobile integrates the use of pioneering ballistic fabric, promising defense against high-tier threats. Engine options scale up to the most formidable, an engine capable of generating 999 horsepower. Furthermore, the vehicle provides twin tire sizes to choose from, or if preferred, Caterpillar tracks. Coated with Teflon, the underside of the vehicle ensures nothing adheres, and impressively, the company assures that the vehicle will remain buoyant if driven into deep water bodies. The Ramsmobile RM-X2 has a distinctively innovative design, interspersed with unmatched design elements, making it unique. In addition to conventional features, it offers unusual options such as a built-in hookup. Given its extensive customization options and a staggering price tag of $1 million, it's assumed that only a handful of these luxury vehicles have made it to customers. Number 5. Terradyne Gurkha CIV. The Gurkha CIV is a civilian adaptation of Terradyne's tactical armored vehicles, designed for personal protection and off-road escapades. Construct on a sturdy Ford F550 truck platform, it boasts a striking military-inspired look, with an optional ballistic steel covering for defense against firearms and explosives. Equipped with a 6.7-liter V8 turbo diesel engine generating 330 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque, the Gurkha CIV tackles rough terrains, water crossings, and steep inclines effortlessly. Enhanced ground clearance, versatile tires, and tailored suspension further refine its off-road capabilities. The rugged exterior belies a roomy, comfortable cabin for up to 7 passengers. Custom options include lavish leather upholstery, cutting-edge entertainment systems, and innovative communication devices, blending elegance and security for an all-around exceptional experience. Number 6. Brabus Invicto Luxury VR6 Plus. The Brabus Invicto Luxury VR6 Plus, a luxury armored vehicle, sets a new standard in luxury and security, thanks to its dynamic customization capabilities. German tuning expert, Brabus breathes new life into the classic Mercedes G-Class, enhancing its strength with high-strength steel and composite materials. This process allows the vehicle to achieve a VR6 rating, guaranteeing its ability to fend off a range of assaults from ballistic threats and explosions to armor-piercing rounds and beyond. Unlike conventional armored vehicles, where armor plates are simply affixed to the chassis, Brabus engineers innovated a self-contained, bolted structure known as the Invicto shelter cell. This thoughtful design ensures there are zero vulnerabilities that could be potentially exploited. Maximizing the vehicle's strength and safety, the functional elegance of the Invicto Luxury VR6 Plus is powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, delivering an invigorating 800 horsepower and 737 pound-feet of torque. The Brabus Invicto Luxury VR6 Plus combines armored protection and high-speed capabilities, reaching up to 130 miles per hour. Inside, the vehicle exudes luxury with customizable leather seats, enhancements to entertainment systems, ambient lighting, and advanced technology. With over 3,500 leather color variations and multiple wood finish options, it caters to individual preferences while offering a smooth ride through its tailored suspension system. This armored vehicle symbolizes the seamless fusion of security and opulence, characteristic of the Mercedes G-Class. Number 7. Klassen Bunker Cullinan VR7. Renowned for its embodiment of opulence in automotive design, Rolls-Royce's Cullinan SUV forms the backbone of the Klassen Bunker Cullinan VR7. Klassen has accomplished an extraordinary transformation, refurbishing a vehicle inherently built for luxury into a bastion of safety, effectively making the Cullinan VR7 one of the most secure vehicles on the road. Most notable of these modifications has been the exterior revamping, bestowing the Cullinan VR7 with a complete surround of cutting-edge armor. This includes an amalgamation of high-grade steel and advanced composite materials. The VR7 protective grating ensures the vehicle's capability to withstand bullets, bomb detonations, and even onslaughts from grenades. In addition to this formidable exterior, the windows have been substituted with multi-layered ballistic glass, designed to act as a see-through barrier against threats. The interior retains its capacity for customization above the standard Rolls-Royce elegance, unmatched in its category from the get-go. Upgrades such as superior multimedia and audio systems are available. Furthermore, new seat covers can be personalized to match the proprietor's unique preferences. Discreet in its appearance, the true potential of this modified beast is shrouded, making it the perfect ride for those requiring heightened security without attracting unwarranted eyes. Number 8. Conquest Knight XV. Brought into existence by Conquest Vehicles, the reimagined Conquest Knight XV is a remarkable blend of military-grade sophistication and luxury that sits solely at the zenith. Its distinguishing feature lies in its ultra-resistant armored FOD, ingeniously assembled using a fusion of ballistic-grade steel, fiberglass, and multiple layers of Kevlar. Ensuring maximum safety for its occupants, this vehicle is keenly equipped with bullet-resistant glass, a survival kit with enriched oxygen, an under-vehicle magnetic detector to evade unwanted trackers and explosives, an advanced black box system, among an array of other security attributes. Ensuring it easily handles threats, not just an embodiment of formidable appearance. This luxury vehicle houses formidable power too. Propelled by a 6.8-liter V10 engine, it effortlessly navigates challenging terrains, making a resounding statement of its performance and robustness. Yet, the unexpectedly lavish interior sets this beast apart. Decked with the plush comfort of hand-stitched leather seats, high-end entertainment, and immersive gaming systems, built-in refrigerator, a retractable TV, and various other amenities. The Conquest Knight XV ensures impeccable comfort and opulent surroundings for the driver and passengers, no matter where the journey leads them. Priced at a competitive starting tag of $600,000, production is limited to a mere 100 units, contributing to its exclusivity. Number 9. INKAS Sentry Civilian. INKAS Sentry Civilian is a civilian-grade armored vehicle designed with the strength and might of a SWAT vehicle. It features a robust, armored construction made of advanced, lightweight materials that can withstand ballistic attacks and explosive blasts. This design adheres to international ballistic standards, ensuring reliable protection against external threats. Its defensive features include rung flat tires, self-sealing fuel tanks, fire suppression systems, and optional surveillance and tracking systems. The interior, reminiscent of an upscale limousine, offers customizable luxury fittings, from leather seats and wooden trims to personalized entertainment and climate control features. Priced at $350,000, the Sentry Civilian presents a luxurious armored vehicle that boasts a SWAT-like exterior and the comforts of an upscale limousine within. Number 10. USSV Rhino GX. The Rhino GX, crafted by California-based U.S. Specialty Vehicles, offers B6 level gunfire resistance. Its aggressive, boxy design sits on a sturdy Ford F450 chassis, allowing it to conquer challenging landscapes. Steel body panels, composite fenders, and bumpers provide durability. Powered by a 6.7-liter V8 diesel or a 6.8-liter V10 gasoline engine, it boasts exceptional torque and towing capacity. Features like four-wheel drive, advanced suspension, and off-road tires enable seamless excursions. The spacious cabin accommodates 5-7 passengers with premium leather upholstery, heated seats, and modern features like an intercom system, partition with TV screen, entertainment system, and built-in satellite receiver. Limited to 300 vehicles priced at $250,000 each, the Rhino GX seamlessly blends functionality, power, and comfort in a well-protected ride.